start with, okay, let me show you the best strategy basically for day trading. Okay, so what you need to do basically, okay, is that you need to come to higher time frame first, because you need to start your analysis from higher time frame. All right, so let's start from weekly time frame. You can start from monthly time frame, but for day trading, I always like to start from weekly time frame. If I want to swing trade, okay, even on if I want to swing trade, I can start my analysis from monthly time frame. I can start it from weekly as well, but in this case, let's just start from weekly so that we can understand the general direction of the market. Okay, so now this is on a weekly time frame. When I say general direction, I'm not talking about like now if you look at this particular move from here, this particular move from here to this place. Okay, if you look at it on a lower time frame, let's say 4 hour, you are going to see a trend. Okay, and that is going to be a bearish trend, right? That's a trend here. As you can see, um downward trend, as you can see. If I make it, let me make it bigger so that you can see what I'm trying to say. You can see the market's going down. This is a bearish trend. So now, for you not to be caught up in this type of trade, for you to know the major direction, major in quotes now, the major direction of the market, you have to come to higher time frames so that you understand the major direction and you will not capitalize on all this uh, tiny or small movement that happens within just short period of time. Okay, it's not that you can't take trade, this type of trade, but it is better to look or to trade in the direction of the major direction, like to trade in the major direction. So, and that is exactly what you are doing on higher time frames. So you come to weekly time frames so that you can better understand that. Okay, so let me remove this. And okay, so the major direction of this trend is what is bullish. As you can see, is bullish. You can see the market making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, um, let me pick this. So you can see the market making higher highs, higher lows, 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 higher highs. Then we have this deep retracement to this particular level, which is the bearish movement that we saw. So now what do you expect? Some kind of higher highs again. So now that we know that we are expecting a momentum to the upside, and that is exactly what you want to be looking out for. That is exactly what you want to capitalize on. You want to be looking for buy opportunity into this particular long movement, because this is going to at least get to this particular level. This particular level here is going to get to this particular. That is the worst case scenario in this case. So, and it could actually break above and then retrace just like as the way it has been moving, then continue the higher highs, because this is a bullish market, right? So now that you understand that, you want to be looking for buy opportunity, but you still need to come to other time frame so that you can better see the structure. So you can come to daily time frame now. Okay, so when you come to daily time frame, as you can see, this is the pullback that happens due to tariff. And as you can see, the market has started pushing back to the upside from here, start from here, then push up, retest this particular neckline, this particular support level, and then push to the upside. So when you do that, then you come to daily 4 hour time frame so that you can look for a area where you can actually enter the market. Okay, so now if you look at this particular area very well, you see that the market actually uh, break above, okay, form double bottoms, our major price action pattern, break above, retest, and then try to push up but got rejected again, then come down. So after the price closed back into this particular neckline, this particular support zone, which I show from the higher time frame to as we have been watching this stuff, um, that is an opportunity to buy. Okay, so buy into this particular support area, resistance area, which is this area. So you want to make sure you pay attention to every resistance if you are day trading. But this is on 4 hours, so we are not going to enter on 4 hour. It's going to be on daily time frame. But you know that this area is a good entry for you. So you come to 1 hour now that you understand that. So you can see after the market pull back and then this next red candle, you can see on daily on 1 hour, which is going to be our entry time frame, the market pull up and then retrace back into that support level. After this red candle, then you take your entry and then you can hold it to this particular level. All right. So after that is done, um, this retracement is another avenue to actually take the trade, which I actually did. Okay, then as soon as this particular resistance, which I show you on 4 hour, got broken and got retested, it's an opportunity to buy. Every retracement is going to be a buy opportunity for you because we are looking for buy to the upside. So as a day trader, you want to also make sure that you take your profit along the way. Then even when there is retracement, you take it again when there is retracement. However, there is another thing I want to show you, which is another form of confirmation for me, and is a very powerful tool that I use for day trading. So let me just turn it on here.